Well. Finally, we have the street triple on the vlogs, and it is one crazy machine, guys. You have to ride this pocket rocket, should I say, because it is tiny in size. It is literally the size of a KTM Duke 390, or in fact smaller. And the way this thing rides or pulls is next level. So, where are we heading to? We are going to a small place, or should I say we are going to as we guys, I'll show it to you what exactly is the problem with this, the paint job on this, or should I say it is our fault, because we've gone across the length and breadth of India on this bike, and well, these machines, or should I say this bike, is not meant for touring. We've done crazy amount of touring on this bike, and as you guys can see, we've clocked in 33,765. Nice on the Odo, 765. So that's the distance we've covered on this bike all across India. Oh, Dogo Pogo, go. And yes, so the paint on the rear quarter panels is coming off because we put in our luggage and all on this. So we need to get it checked, or should I say this has ceramic coating, although it's quite old. The ceramic coating must have gone off by now. So on the rear quarter panel, the ceramic coating is gone, the clear coat is gone, and the paint is also slowly starting to rub off. So we need to get it repainted, the quarter panels there. It's a small job, but yes, it has to be done. So we are going there, planning to get that done. And by the way, what's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. People ask, why is street triple not very good for touring? Well, you can tour on it. There is no problem with it, because I have gone from Hyderabad to Sikkim, which is about 5,000 odd kilometers in total, or 6,000 kilometers or all, I guess that trip was. Srujan has gone to Leh on this bike, which is another 6,000 kilometers. So you can do that long distances. It is more tiring than, let's say, an adventure tourer or a sports tourer machine, because of the lack of the front windshield. So you are up against the elements, and the wind blast actually tires you more than anything else. That's one beautiful bike, eh? Not a common sight anymore, but yes. Wow, that is a beast and a half, the AMG C63. From a distance I thought it was the C53, but oh, this is the big daddy. Alright, this is Wrap and Shine. This is the new outlet which they have. This is the new outlet. Oof. That thing looks sick, man. How are you, bro?
Okay, I'm at Wrap and Shine. Everything, the bike, we're leaving the bike here today, and picking up probably day after tomorrow, because I'm busy to drop the bike off day after. So they're probably going to work on it tomorrow and day after. You can see here. You can see the shine here, and as we go down, because all this is scuffed up, there's no shine, and यहाँ पे भी the ceramic has dulled out compared to this portion. So we are getting all this done.
Hey, what's up?
That car looks dope in yellow, dude. So this is the new place. This is the new place in Suchitra Circle, Wrap and Shine ka new branch. So we'll come back in a day or two to take our bike. Let's see how the finished product is. Oof.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today is Saturday.
Today is actually the next day. I've given the bike at Wrap and Shine yesterday. Today is a Saturday.
And you mean us, you know our Saturday ritual, we generally go out and play cricket. So that's what we are doing. And meanwhile...
Yes, first things first. We are aware of the camera issues. It is not my hand which is shaking. Everybody's hand shakes thoda. But this camera doesn't have in-body stabilization. And the good news is we are finding a solution.
We are addressing it.
Very, very, very fast. problem with gimbal is it is very difficult.
I just want to cry, Ray.
Yeah, it is very difficult to hold gimbal like that and vlog
Because of the weight of the
yeah.
The
So
gimbal weights a lot.
again, there are a lot of things, technicalities. What we are using is a 16mm lens. So again, it's a crop sensor, so it becomes effectively a 50% crop. That's about a 24mm lens. So I have to actually stretch my hand completely out and vlog. So for how long can you hold your whatever 1.5 2
It's
kilos?
actually slightly difficult, but the good news is we are actually looking at. We already ordered our camera. It's on its way. So please pair this vlog and the next vlog if it shakes. And beyond that, super clarity.
Yes, and it's an upgrade. It's not the top of the line. We're not spending, 4 or 5 lakh rupees on a camera. It doesn't make
It's
sense.
worth it.
But we're buying another very good camera. Definitely, it's expensive for us. But
okay,
we
this
are
camera,
upgrading.
even this camera was never in the picture.
Yeah,
first place.
only-
I really wanted to upgrade my gear, my riding gear and my helmet, but now that has to postpone, and I'm about to cry again.
Yeah.
So any which ways, Street Triple is getting the pamper it needs.
It needs so very badly. See, again, why am I shifting from that side to this side? Is because I'm switching my hands to hold the camera.
And Street Triple ka, we thought of picking it up today.
It'll be ready by the evening today.
So we'll pick it up tomorrow. So
You can see
thoda
the Street
wrapping will be
Triple.
done. Thoda.
In fact, even Srujan doesn't know this. I spoke to Hriday, who's the owner of Wrap and Sign, and I told him only one thing. We're going to keep it very stock looking almost. It's going to be almost stock looking. But I told him to surprise me. I have no idea how the bike is going to look. What is it going to look?
Okay. Let's see.
We'll know it when we go there.
But
tomorrow.
he sent me a small clip of the tank, and it's back to new.
I swear.
It's almost
it's
back to-
shiny and these guys. Okay, forget about that. Now, time for cricket.
So we got our head mounts and we have chest mounts. So let's see how it goes.
Yes.
GoPros and Instas are getting ready.
And even this camera is going to come along with us. So it's
Spare with
3:30.
us with this vlog.
Now, our match starts at 4 o'clock. It takes about 15 minutes from our house to reach the ground. So, time to run. See you guys.
Not regularly, but at least often come on Clubhouse, conduct Insta lives and all. We're getting a lot of requests to you and Rochi.
ఎలా చేయాలో కూడా తెలియదురా. To be honest, I don't have the Clubhouse app and I don't know how to operate it. అయిపోయింది మామ. చెప్పు
ఎడినారా అక్కడ?
జయ వింటా నేను చెప్పు అన్ని వింటా. 20 1
2 balls left.
One. One. Move. I'll go runner.
So, we are done with the day's play. And boys!
We won the match!
Yes!
Won the series.
But
the best match was with him, man.
yeah, second last match, last ball they needed 6 runs and he hit a 6. And okay, this is an announcement for most of you guys. This bugger is going to
ఏదో అట్లా కుదిరింది అందుకోసం వెళ్తున్నా
అందుకే బైక్ అమ్ముతున్నావు.
ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు పోతున్నాడు 360 లైఫ్ అజయ్ గా
So we have a small thing here. We have this bag and all of us are going to sign on it and we'll keep it as a memory. Hey, सब लेके आया. ले, start.
With Edwin.
ఓకే లాస్ట్ మ్యాచ్ ఎప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు వస్తాను ఎప్పుడు మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు ఆడతాను
Make sure everybody has to have enough space on it.
अरे दूसरी साइड भी तो है.
हो जाएगा. डेट क्या है आज?
डेट किंద పెడతా
31.
కింద పెడుతున్నా.
31.
20 hours.
నాకేదో పెద్ద వచ్చినట్టు.
Okay, guys, ఈ ప్లేస్ పేరేంటి?
Swing zone.
Engo. See, he is the person to contact. The contact number will be in the description below. You can contact them. Fun place. You'll meet him, and for the place. Yeah. Sanjay. Okay.
I reckon everyone shout peace out.
Peace out.
What's pop?